So why is financial modeling important? Whether you are looking to advance your career in corporate finance, investment banking, or enhance your personal finance strategies, this course has something for you. Welcome everyone to the Financial Modeling Mastery course. My name is C. Ankit Bajaj and I have worked for prestigious companies for over 13 years. Currently, I'm affiliated with a number of prestigious institutes where I teach professional courses like CFA, CPA, CMA, ACCA, and Financial Modeling. I will be your guide through this comprehensive journey into the world of financial modeling. I'm excited to have you all here and look forward to exploring the intricacies of financial modeling together. This course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to build robust financial model that can be used in various financial and business contexts. Whether you are looking to advance your career in corporate finance, investment banking, or enhance your personal finance strategies, this course has something for you. So why is financial modeling important? So financial modeling is a crucial skill in the world of finance. It allows professionals to create a representation of companies' financial performance, helping in decision-making processes for investment, budgeting, and forecasting. By the end of this course, you will be able to read and write the financial statements and annual report of listed companies. You will be able to understand and interpret the financial statements of various entities. You will be able to understand the concepts of financial management and corporate finance in detail. You will be able to build and analyze various types of financial model, including three statement models, discounted cash flow models, leverage buyout models, and merger and acquisition models. You will also get detailed understanding about equity research modeling. So you will be able to conduct sensitivity and scenario analysis to evaluate different financial outcomes. You will be able to apply the best practices of financial modeling to ensure accuracy and reliability. Throughout this course, we will primarily use Microsoft Excel as our modeling tool. You will have access to various resources, including template models and datasets. You will get detailed instructional videos and step-by-step guides. Apart from that, you will get supplementary reading material and case studies. So we believe in interactive and engaging learning experience. Therefore, this course includes live practice and Q&A sessions. We will discuss a lot about the new concepts and we will do additional cases during the live classes. There will be assignment and quizzes which will be given to you to reinforce your learning. Our goal is to ensure you not only understand the theoretical aspect of financial modeling, but also gain practical hand-on experience to get started. Please ensure you have the access to a computer with Microsoft installed. Familiarize yourself with course, platform, and download the introductory material provided. Our first module will kick off with an in-depth look at financial statement and their role in financial modeling. So let's get ready to embark on this exciting journey. I look forward seeing you in our first module. So welcome to the Financial Modeling Mastery course. Thank you.